Welcome. If you're looking to grab a channel ID on Discord quickly, you've come to the right place. This guide walks you through the updated steps so you can copy a channel's unique identifier in just a few taps. First, open Discord and head to your server. Once you're inside, locate the channel you want the ID for. You'll need to access the channel settings, which starts with selecting the channel name. Press and hold the channel name on your screen if you're using a mobile device, or right-click on desktop. This action brings up a small menu with several options. From the menu, look for an option that leads to more details about the channel. Scroll down a little until you see Copy Channel ID. If you don't see it at first, don't worry. Continue scrolling or expand the menu because Discord sometimes hides options behind a couple of taps or clicks, especially on mobile. Tap Copy Channel ID. Once you do, the channel's unique identifier is copied to your clipboard. This ID is a long string of numbers that's useful for developers, bot configurations, or advanced moderation setups. You can now paste it wherever you need, such as in a bot command, a webhook, or a server configuration file. A quick tip to keep things smooth: if you don't see Copy Channel ID, you may need to enable developer mode in your Discord settings. It's a one-time step that unlocks extra details across the app.